This video is about the Digitek Softbox unboxing and review of this softbox. First, let's start with the unboxing. This is the softbox of 80 cm in length. Apart from this, Digitek having photography and videography accessories and equipments, gears, etc. The price of this Digitek Softbox is 1599 Indian rupees at the time of I purchased it. The exact model is DSB080. In the package, you will only get this folded softbox with diffuser. You won't get any stand for this softbox. This softbox is useful for photography lighting, videography lighting, and even I recommend this for YouTube videos, also to get perfect lighting for any kind of videos. Also, Digitek 55 cm softbox is available and the price is little less than this. If the size of the softbox is increasing, means the price is also increasing. Actually, I searched for Digitek softbox which is having grills over the diffuser, but during my purchase that item was out of stock. But this one is also a good softbox light for the price you are paying. The quality of the overall softbox material is pretty good. I'm happy for that. Setting up of this softbox is very simple. Just open the main one like an umbrella and stick the diffuser to the velcro tapes. This is how the final Digitek softbox looks like after setting up. Okay. I'm using this Digitek Softbox for 3 weeks now and I used it for video shooting and photo shooting in indoor. The one word I say about this product is I really liked it. With the help of 40 watts bulb, I'm using this softbox and the entire setup comes under 4000 Indian rupees only. Mainly I used this for my YouTube videos and I never faced any issue with this product. This is one of the budget YouTube lighting setup also. Many of you are having doubts that whether this softbox is used for ring light. The answer for this is yes. Of course, you can use this for any kind of ring lights, but you need a stand to fit that. If you want to carry this softbox anywhere, you can easily carry it. This is one of the best softbox for YouTube, I would like to say. Digitek softboxes also available, but those are priced more than this one. If you want to improve or add lighting for your videos, then this is one of the best softbox for video and photography tutorials. Also, this softbox helps for to build the cheap lighting for YouTube videos. For this softbox currently I'm using Digitek light stand 9 feet 1 which doesn't comes in this package. Also, I given all the links of the products that help to shoot this video in description box. If you want to buy anything or see the prices, feel free to check those links. This is the best softbox under 2000 Indian rupees. Sometimes during the offers you will get it for even low price. If you want to post a dedicated video on best lighting setup for YouTube videos or YouTube video lighting setup for beginners, let me know from the comments. I'll post a dedicated video based on your response only. So finally, before ending of this video, I'll share some important points about this Digitek Softbox light. This softbox is for those who wanted to make YouTube videos or for YouTube lighting setup, or maybe for a ring light, or even for Digitek's SL60 watts light, and also for makeup shooting, photo shoot, etc. It's a one-time purchase for your journey and it will be used for many years based upon your usage. Hope this video is useful for you. If yes, share it by liking this and subscribe to Tech Bunny so that you never miss any update from this channel until you click that bell icon to all only. If you want budget light for your DSLR camera or photography, then this Digitek LED video light is might helpful for you. Watch my last video by clicking here. That's all for today. See you again in the next video. Thank you for staying up to till now. Take care.